Imagine $100 of you predicting the future pays out an amazing $25,000. That, my friends, is what people are doing on Polymarket. You see it on the screen right here. This is the official website. You probably have heard it left and right everywhere. It's making some noise. Some big people are on here. A lot of people are on here as well, making some crazy money. I don't know if you've seen social media, but there's also bots that AI people are making for them to create their trades. But hey, I don't know if that's actually true or not. I don't know if it's actually working. But right now, we're going to be talking about Polymarket. You do need a VPN. If you are in the US, you will not have access to this. So I would suggest you also getting NordVPN. Now, this official website will be down below in the description. Don't fall for any scams because you will get hacked and your funds will get drained, okay? Just a little heads up. There is also a rumored Polymarket airdrop, and if it's true or not, we'll discuss it. So right now, guys, it is Crypto Audi King. It's March 30th, 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing all this for the beginners. Friendly breakdowns and real scenarios that could potentially happen to you. So what it is, how it works is how you can, this is really like how you can really understand Polymarket the easy way. And I'm going to be doing like a $100 example as well. So what is Polymarket? This is a prediction market platform where people trade on the outcomes of real world events. You can see some on the screen right now. The big one is US forces enter Iran by either March 31st with a 5% outcome, April 30th, 70% outcome, and December 31st, 78%. The platform's documentation says prices are probabilities. Trades are non-custodial and positions are settled on Polygon using the USDC as collateral. In other words, you are buying and selling outcome shares. This is going to be very critical in here in a bit on the full video. So please make sure you're taking notes and just overall pay attention what this video is actually trying to show you. The shares are based on what you think is going to happen in the future. Here's the most important concept in this whole video. Price equals probability. If a yes share is trading at 40 cents, the market is basically saying there's about a 40% chance that the event does happen. If yes, it's at, let's say, 80 cents, the market thinks it's much more likely of it happening. That's an 80%. Polymarket's help center explains that the displayed probability is typically the midpoint of the bid-ask spread in order books. This is also why there's a lot of reasons why people love this. One is kind of like the little gamble aspect type deal, and then as well as because it brings that option contract type deal, the stock market type deal, everything put it together, especially because it accepts crypto, accepts card. You know, once you create your account, you'll really get the flow of this very quickly. They do have everything from sports to government shutdowns, the oil, country after country, SpaceX, stocks, crypto predictions, anything they can get your head around, they have it. Now let's talk about how you actually get started. On the sign up side, Polymarket says you can create an account by email or by connecting your crypto wallet like MetaMask, Rabby, and Phantom. If you use the wallet, you can connect it, sign a message, and then sign again to enable trading. After that, you fund your account and deposit to the correct address. And please put in what you can afford to lose, because overall, this is still gambling, okay? Polymarket warns users to always double check the network and address before sending funds, because sending to the wrong chain or address can't just be reversed. Availability also depends on jurisdiction. So make sure the platform is available where you're trying to buy before you are using it. This is, I'm a technical analysis type person. I am typically doing the Bitcoin price prediction aspect. You know, if it's going to hit certain price at a certain date, you know, there's like, you know, not point, but 45% probably outcome. And, you know, if I'm right on the prediction, that's what I win. Okay, well, based off of that. So now let's do a $100 example, because this is where everything clicks. Let's imagine there's a market that says, will Bitcoin hit $150,000 by December 2026? There are multiple, let me see, I'm gonna go to the crypto tab. Will Bitcoin be above such and such? Well, that's the 5-minute. I need to choose a good one. Let me get this one. What price will Bitcoin hit by March 30th? Okay, so let's say Bitcoin will Bitcoin hit $150,000 by December 2026? Let's say yes is at 0.40, okay? If you put $100 of your hard-earned money, that will give you roughly 250 yes shares at 40 cents each. Let's see, I'm gonna bring the calculator out here. So if the question is, will Bitcoin hit $150,000 by December 2026? The yes is at 40, so 40%. So if you invest $100, divide that by 0.40, you technically have 250 yes shares, because each of them costs 40 cents. If the event actually does happen, the market resolves it as yes, each of those shares will be redeemed for $1. USDC, stablecoin, pegged US dollar, however, it's going to be $1. So your position becomes now worth $250. That would be a $150 gross profit, okay? Of course, that's before fees. But if the event does not happen, let's say Bitcoin hits $149,999, then your yes shares, because you clicked yes, will then go to $0 at the resolution, which means you lose the position. That's why understanding the probability is everything. Winning shares redeem at $1. Losing shares, they are worth 0. But here's the part beginners love. You usually do not have to wait until final resolution. Polymarket says you can sell early, whenever you want to. So let's say you bought the yes shares at 40 cents and later the market moves in your favor and yes rises to 70 cents. Your roughly would have been $250 will then be about $175, meaning you could close early for about a $75 gain before fees instead of waiting for the final outcome. This is one of the biggest reasons people like prediction markets. You can trade the changing odds, not just the end results. Now let's talk about the opposite side, because this is where some people get confused. Every market has a yes and a no. So if yes is 40 cents, no is going to be 60 cents. If you think the event is less likely than the market believes, you can just buy no shares. If your side wins, those shares will also redeem to a $1 each. This is why Polymarket feels more like trading probabilities than just gambling. You're really making a judgment in whether the market is overpricing or underpricing the odds. Another thing to understand is that Polymarket is using an order book. Prices are not magically set by Polymarket. Remember this. They come from buyers and sellers. Everywhere you're trading option contracts or, stock market, crypto, depends on what you're doing, there is buyers and sellers, bids and asks. The documents explain that the offers yes or no are matched. And when the combined prices add up to $1, those positions are created. That is why price can move fast when sentiment changes. Breaking news hits or more liquidity comes into the market. Now let's talk about the fees though, because people forget this part. Polymarket says makers are never charging fees and only takers pay fees. On crypto markets, the effective taker fee is at the highest, around 50% probability area, and decreases as prices move closer to 0 or 100. In the official crypto fee table, a 100 share trade at 40 cents shows a taker fee of about 69 cents. So on a larger trade, your real result will be a little lower than the simple gross math example that I just gave. But if you already made, $150, $175 or whatever it was profit, couple of dollars in fees, I think it's still a win. So let's talk about markets actually settling down. This is important because you never want to trade a market without reading the rules. Polymarket explains that markets resolve based on their predefined criteria. An outcome is proposed with USDC bond, and the help center says the bond is $750 if you're the proposer. There is also a 2-hour challenge period where a proposed resolution can be disputed. In the documentation, Polymarket says the resolution process runs through a UMA optimistic oracle. That oracle, remember oracle, it gives me the vibes of a certain project some of you guys probably know. And once the market is finalized, winning shares become redeemable for $1. So before you buy anything, always check the exact wording and resolution rules before you start on trading. Some people prefer doing the trending, other people prefer the new that just popped up. To be honest with you, it's just you. Whatever style you find best, whatever you think it's your highest probability, that is going to be 100% on you. Again, the Polymarket website will be down below in the description, the official account. Please use a VPN and always invest what you can afford to lose. On to the airdrop. There's a big rumor about a Polymarket airdrop coming. Based on the information I've been gathering, the answer right now is no confirmed airdrop. But there is instances going around that there is a lot of money being raised and moved around, and plus the whole entire vibe of how Polymarket works, it does give out the scenario of a potential airdrop in the future. Okay? Polymarket is basically a live marketplace for probabilities. You buy yes when you think the market is underestimating the chance of something happening. You buy no when you think it's overestimating the chance. Your upside comes from either being right at final resolution or selling early if the odds move in your favor. Just remember, always read the rule books, understand the fees, know your risk, and don't blindly chase rumors just because people in crypto or on Twitter, especially because of Twitter, oh my goodness, then they start just tweeting out some nonsense. They are farming for the best possible airdrop. We understand that they always be doing this. If you want, I'd frame the ending like, I would say this ending, we could be like, now that you understand Polymarket, now I think how could I end this video? I think that's just gonna be it. Like if you like this video and if you understand Polymarket better, then click the like button, subscribe. I do videos every single day. I've been doing crypto and stocks for 10 years now, and I've been doing YouTube for 8 years. Yes, somewhere around there. So videos every single day. So be sure to check out the channel, like, subscribe, all my official pages, Twitter, TikTok, Telegram, all of them will be down below in the description as well. So thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you understand Polymarket even just a little bit, my job is done. Okay. So check out Polymarket down below in the description. I'll see you tomorrow in the next YouTube video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.